Hi guys, today I will discuss how to scrape a Redfin. Actually, it's a famous website among real estate users, so we will discuss it. In a marketplace, we know a lot of scraping tools are available, but it's mostly using a script like a Selenium and so on. It's just a frustration. So I will show you how to scrape a Redfin without ads. So we'll scrap it just by its Google Sheet. No need to any type of Selenium script or a Python like so on tool. So we can see here. Actually, here is a county if available state. So we will put here and then here a zip county state. It will automatically fill. Just we will need to county state or zip. So I will fill it. So I will fill it here. So next, because we have already entered a county and state, so next we will catch it from it here and then move so on where you want to fill it. So after of it we will catch it from a corner and then move it down so on, and we'll see here a loading, and then after of time you will see here a number of result. We can see here, and even we can confirm here uh, just from here. Firstly I will enter here a county and its state in a Redfin. We are now that is it's a row number 4, and now I will enter here, and after of it we'll see here. Actually in our script, actually here make a filter of land, and we will see firstly active. Actually it will show active. So line number 4 active 238. Actually here is a one another filter is applied, so I will put it. So now it's a neutral. Now we can see here is a 238, and we can also verify its form sheet and so on in a pending. I will click on a pending, and now uncheck this row, and now we can see here 28. Now we'll see here 28. Wait a second, actually here now it's a pending. Now you can see here 28 and so on. We can see here a pending, and actually it's a sold in a month, and is this column so on, and like it's a sold in a 1 month, sold in a 6, sold in a year. Like we'll see here sold in 1 month, so we'll see here to 23. So we'll see here 23, and in a 6 month we can see here 182 in a 6. So in a 12 it should be at 380. So we'll check here in a year, so 380. It's according to our expectation. It's a verified script, and you can use so on. If anyone need this script or need this sheet, just comment below the video. I will embed this sheet